In this video, I'll be showing you how to place a transmission input speed sensor on a Ford Transit Connect. This is located under the hood and on the transmission. Let's get started. We're going to open our hood and make our way to the driver's side of the engine bay and locate our airbox and mass airflow sensor. Push back this red tab on the mass airflow sensor connector. Once this is disengaged, push on the connector and slide it out. Set it aside. On the airbox itself, locate the worm clamp on the accordion tube and loosen it using a flat blade screwdriver. Once that's loosened, we're going to move down to the airbox and locate its two clamps, one here and one on the other side. Disengage these by pulling them down and do the same for the other one. Once those are undone, pull it up and remove it from the accordion tube. Set it aside. On the airbox, locate this tube that goes to the front bumper. We're going to locate this rubber strap, pull it up, and disengage it. Once that's removed, grab the bottom of the airbox and pull it up to disengage the rubber grommets. Lift it up and out of the vehicle. With the airbox removed, we can now locate our speed sensor, which is on the transmission. It is held down by an 8mm fastener. Go ahead and remove that now. Remove the bolt and set the bolt aside. Now pull the sensor out, work it side to side and out of the transmission. Turn it over and locate the connector and its tab. Press down on the tab and slide the sensor out. And there it is. Now to install our transmission speed sensor. We're going to lubricate the O-ring with some manufacturer-approved automatic transmission fluid. Run it across the whole O-ring. We're going to go ahead and insert it into the transmission. Once the O-ring fully seats, line it up. You may have to twist it to fully seat. We're going to hand thread on our fastener. Go ahead and snug it down as well. We are going to torque this down to 89 inch-pounds. Once the sensor is secured, reinstall your connector. Just slide it in and push in. Make sure it fully clicks. We're going to reinstall the lower portion of the airbox. Align the tabs you see on the airbox itself to the rubber grommets on the vehicle. Once they are all aligned, push down on all three grommets. Make sure it sits flush. We're going to move on the airbox tube and reinstall our rubber strap. Pull it down and make sure it latches on the tab. We're going to reinstall the upper portion of our airbox. Slide it on the accordion tube. There's a tab for alignment purposes. Make sure it seats fully around the top portion. Align these tabs on the upper portion to the lower portion. Just push them in. Once it's sitting flush, reinstall your two clips. Do the same for the other side. We're going to reinstall our mass airflow sensor connector. Slide it over and push in on this red tab. We're going to move on to our worm clamp. We're just going to snug this down using our flat blade screwdriver. And that completes our install. Take the vehicle for a road test, and thank you for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.